And now let's get these installed on your 2014 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner. Raise the hood of the vehicle, remove the 13 push clips securing the radiator cover by depressing the inner portion of the clip and then prying up on the outer portion. Clips removed, remove the radiator cover and set it aside. Remove the 2 push clips by prying up on the middle and then prying up around the outer portion. One center 10mm screw from the top of the grille needs to come out. Lift up on each of the 6 plastic tabs on the bottom edge of the upper grille while pulling forward on the grille to help release. Firmly pull the upper grille forward and remove it from the vehicle. Place the grille face down on a work surface. We recommend laying down a soft towel or something to work on to prevent any damage. Remove the 8 Phillips head screws, there's going to be 4 per side, that secure the front grille surround to the grille assembly. With the hardware removed, release the 2 clips on each side and remove the front grille surround from the grille assembly. For the 2014 to 2020 model year vehicles, also remove the 2 Phillips head screws that secure the center mounting bracket to the grille assembly and remove the center bracket to be swapped over to the new grille. For the 2021 to 2024 model year vehicles, fit the provided spacers onto the indicated standoffs on the back of the front grille surround. The taller spacers go onto the outer portions and the shorter go onto the inner portions. Fit the new Morimoto grill assembly into the back of the front grille surround. The 4 clips you release during disassembly will clip into the place on the new grille. Secure the grille by reinstalling the 6 outermost Phillips screws. Install the center grille support bracket. For 2021 to 2024 model year vehicles, fit the provided replacement center grille support onto the back of the new grille assembly. Secure it by reinstalling 2 of the original factory screws through the 2 lower mounting holes and 2 of the provided extended screws through the 2 upper holes. Fit each of your tube hangers into the 4 openings on the grille. Secure them in place using 2 of the provided T20 Torx screws on either side of the pod. Tighten them until secure, but still loose enough for the aim to be adjusted later. If your 4Runner came with the Toyota oval front badge, you'll need to install the black panel provided. Install the new grille assembly onto the vehicle, making sure the 6 clips along the bottom clip into place as you do. Secure the grille using the factory 2 push clips and 1 10mm bolt. Locate the firewall grommet and remove it. Cut a slit in the middle of the grommet, pass the provided fuse tap extension through the grommet and reinstall into the firewall. Moving to the driver footwell, look up the firewall and locate the bit of harness you put through the hole. Remove the lid from the interior fuse box and locate and remove the 15-amp cigarette lighter / power outlet fuse. Install the provided mini fuse tap into the fuse slot and connect the fuse tap to the extension harness. Connect the fuse tap / fuse tap extension to the plug labeled backlight on the grille harness. If you are installing or have installed the Morimoto XB Headlights and are using the same fuse tap for both, which is what we recommend, connect the provided DRL splitter to the fuse tap and fuse tap extension. Connect one of the splitter's outputs to the plug labeled backlight on the grille harness and the other output to the DRL harness on the headlight. Disconnect the side marker plug and connect the provided side marker harness in line between the vehicle wiring and the headlight. Connect the single pin output on the side marker harness to the plug labeled dimmer on the grille harness. Connect each of the 4 4-pin Deutsch connectors on the grille harness to each of the 2 banger pod lights. Lay out the provided relay harness in the engine bay. Connect the ring terminals to the corresponding positive and negative terminals on the battery. Mount your relay upright in a suitable location near that battery. Route your outputs to the center of the radiator support. Connect your trigger wire or button, where you can connect the trigger wire to your existing switch panel or desired trigger source, or you could route the included push button into the cabin of the vehicle and finding a location to mount the button. Connect the 2 outputs on the relay harness to the 2 inputs on the grille harness. It doesn't matter which one goes which. Get in the vehicle and confirm that all functions are working properly. You've got a daytime running light mode, a parking light mode, and then a main beam mode. And just like that, you've got the new Morimoto XBG LED Grille light for your Toyota 4Runner all installed.